What if AI didn't just answer questions, but actually did the work? This isn't science fiction. Rather, it's happening right now with Agentic AI. Projected to reach $196.6 billion by 2034 with a 43.8% compound annual growth rate, this is a fundamental shift in how businesses operate. Imagine AI agentic framework like LangChain that collaborate, make decisions, and execute complex tasks with minimal human oversight. Traditional AI responds to prompts, whereas this framework takes initiative. Think of it like the difference between a calculator and a personal accountant who anticipates your tasks and needs. LangChain shines in creating smart AI agents with advanced reasoning and tool usage. For more intricate applications, this framework alone can be extended to handle complex tasks. The applications are transformative, such as autonomous code generation and debugging, intelligent document analysis, advanced data analysis, and more. Hello and welcome to this demo of our Data Analyst Agent, powered by LangChain. With this application, you can upload datasets, describe your goals in natural language, and instantly receive generated code and visual insights. Let's start by uploading a dataset. For this demonstration, we'll use a churn_data.csv file, a common dataset used in data science to predict customer churn. As soon as you upload the file, you'll see a preview of your data appear here, in the Data Preview section. This provides a quick check to verify the data has loaded correctly. Now, let's tell or prompt this Data Analyst Agent what we want to achieve. In this case, in the Your Instructions text box, we've given this prompt. Show me the distribution of customer age and churn rate, and also show me the average monthly charges for churned versus non-churned customers. Once you've entered your instructions, simply click the Analyze Data button. As you can see, the agent is now processing your request. Please note that, depending on the complexity of the data and the instructions, this processing might take a few moments. In a moment, you'll see two key outputs. After processing, you'll see the Generated Code section, which contains the Python code generated by the agent to perform the data wrangling and analysis steps. Right below that, the generated plot will display the visualizations created based on your instructions. This Customer Insights dashboard presents three key visualizations: the distribution of customer age groups, their respective churn rates, and the average monthly charges based on churn status. The first chart indicates that the majority of customers are non-senior citizens, approximately 5,900, while senior citizens make up a smaller proportion, around 1,142. The second chart reveals a higher churn rate among senior citizens, just over 41.68% compared to non-senior citizens, approximately 23.61%. The third chart highlights that churned customers paid higher average monthly charges of about $74.44 compared to non-churned customers, which is around $61.03. This powerful capability allows non-technical users to quickly get insights from their data without writing a single line of code, while also providing the underlying code for developers or data scientists to review or reuse. Thank you for watching this demo. We hope you see the potential of the Data Analyst Agent in streamlining your data exploration and analysis tasks. What you just witnessed represents a fundamental shift in how AI implementation can be approached. Instead of building single-purpose tools, you can create intelligent agent ecosystems. Early adopters of LangChain have observed faster task execution and more flexible solutions, thanks to its ability to coordinate multiple tools, memory modules, and AI components. Elevate your AI strategy by shifting from a reactive approach to a proactive one, harnessing the transformative power of agentic AI. So, embark on the journey of integrating LangChain into your operational framework. By doing so, you will be empowered to design and implement tailored solutions that align perfectly with your specific needs and objectives. For a smooth integration and a well-defined roadmap, partner with us. Nitor Infotech, your one-stop destination to building the future, enhanced with agentic AI.